As we enter the first 10 days of this blessed month, our hearts and prayers are with those undertaking the holy pilgrimage of Hajj during these days. While many of us are unable to make the blessed journey this year, there are still many ways for us to reap the blessings of this month. The first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah are often referred to as the best 10 days of the year. The Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, "There are no days on which righteous deeds are more beloved to Allah than these 10 days. Here are some tips so we can all make the most of these blessed days. 1. Read the Quran. Reading the Quran is a good deed and Allah especially loves the good deeds done in these days. Read as much as you can, even if it is a few verses each day. 2. Increase in nawafil prayers. There are a number of extra prayers you can observe during the day to increase your worship and good deeds. 3. Make lots of dhikr. Our Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, "There are no days that are greater before Allah or in which good deeds are more beloved to him than these 10 days, so recite a great deal of Tahleel, Takbir and Tahmid during them. Tahmid, Alhamdulillah, all praises be to God. Tahleel, La ilaha illallah, there is no God but Allah. Tasbih, Subhanallah, glory be to God. 4. Istighfar. Use these blessed days to seek forgiveness for all our wrongdoings. 5. Fasting. It is sunnah for the Muslim to fast on the first 9 days of Dhul Hijjah, because fasting is one of the best of deeds. In a hadith Qudsi, Allah says, "All the deeds of the son of Adam are for him, except fasting, which is for me, and I shall reward for it." The Prophet said, fasting the day of Arafah expiates the sins of 2 years, the past one and the coming one. 6. Give in charity. Give in charity in these blessed days, as much as you can. 7. Preserve ties of kinship. Maintaining the ties of kinship is from the best of deeds. Due to the saying the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, whoever would like his provision to be increased and his lifespan to be extended, let him maintain the ties of kinship. And finally, as Eid approaches,